Okay, so here's what's happened. This has snapped. You can see from the jagged edges, and in there, snapped. The simple fix would be to loosen this and then just try and like bodge it for the meantime, but those bolts, useless. So, and I win. Unfortunately now at this point, the previous piece of exhaust stuck. Fuck's sake. Oh, this thing, right? This thing was jammed inside there. Absolute nightmare. So that's obviously that's what that's clamped onto. And I don't think I can make this fit. Oh, find a way to bodge it. So I'm gonna have to replace this. I mean, I was gonna replace this anyway, but it's like 230 quid for a brand new, not brand new, like a refurbished version of stock, or 200 quid stainless steel Lextech ones. Ooh. Okay, so I've not fixed it, but I've bodged it. Before I show you what I've done, no one tell Dell, no one tell Matt Hudson, he will shit himself, either with glee or pure horror. But this isn't a fix. I repeat, this is not a fix. This is simply so I can use my bike before I get the exhaust fixed properly. But that had snapped, so there's nothing to clamp onto, and I had to cut the clamp because the clamp was seized as well. I have Jubilee clips, but not the right size, and I have some stainless steel. So there's like we've got a stainless steel loop, like just cut a big strip, rolled it up, so it's like a flies. So it's like a spring, and then like I put it inside there, put that on, so it's like springing from the inside, and then the Jubilee clips clamping it back on, so secure for now until I replace it properly, which would be within the next week or so. Fuck my life.